Do you know how important potassium is for your body? Of course, you've heard of potassium, but do you really know what it does? This humble mineral, often overlooked, holds a vital role in our health and well-being. Present in every cell of our body, potassium is a key player in a multitude of bodily functions. Firstly, it's essential for maintaining our body's fluid balance. It works in tandem with sodium to ensure that our cells have just the right amount of water. Secondly, it's instrumental in sending nerve signals. Without potassium, our brain and nerves would struggle to communicate, affecting our body's functionality. Thirdly, potassium regulates muscle contractions. Ever had a muscle cramp? That could be your body calling out for more potassium. It's the maestro, conducting the symphony of muscle movements that keep us going every day. So it's clear that potassium is crucial. But where do we get it from? Stay tuned to find out more about this indispensable mineral. Potassium doesn't just exist in our bodies, it plays a crucial role in our health. This versatile mineral is a powerhouse, offering an array of health benefits that are too significant to ignore. Let's start with how potassium can help reduce blood pressure. High blood pressure is a common concern worldwide, and it's a leading risk factor for heart disease and stroke. But here's the good news. Potassium helps to balance out the negative effects of salt, relaxing blood vessel walls, and thus lowering blood pressure. It's like a natural antidote to the blood pressure-raising effects of sodium. Moving on, potassium also plays a crucial role in preventing osteoporosis, a condition that weakens bones and makes them more prone to fractures. Our bodies need potassium to help preserve calcium, a key building block of our bones. It's like the silent guardian of our skeletal system, ensuring our bones stay strong and healthy. Next, let's talk about how potassium can reduce the risk of stroke. Studies have shown that individuals with higher intakes of dietary potassium have lower rates of stroke. It acts as a kind of bodyguard, warding off potential threats to your brain's health. And that's not all. Potassium is also a key player in aiding muscle movements. It helps nerves to function and muscles to contract. It's like the body's own communication system, ensuring that signals are sent and received for smooth, coordinated muscle movements. In the grand scheme of things, potassium proves to be an unsung hero, silently working behind the scenes to ensure our body functions at its best. It keeps our heart beating, our muscles moving, and our bones strong. It's a vital mineral that's integral to our overall health and well-being. With such impressive health benefits, it's essential to include potassium-rich foods in our diet. So let's move on to discover the top plant-based sources of this magnificent mineral. Stay with us as we dive deeper into the world of potassium. Eating a variety of foods can help you get enough potassium. Here are the top 10 plant-based sources. Let's kick things off with the humble banana. Not only is it tasty and convenient, but a medium-sized banana also packs about 420 milligrams of potassium. That's a significant chunk of the recommended daily intake. Next up, we have the versatile sweet potato. A single medium-sized sweet potato, with its skin on, offers a whopping 540 milligrams of potassium. Plus, it's a great source of fiber, too. White beans, often overlooked, are a powerhouse of potassium. Just half a cup of these beans can provide around 500 milligrams. Spinach, packed with a multitude of vitamins, also makes it to our list. A single cup of cooked spinach delivers about 467 milligrams of potassium. Avocados, the darling of the health food world, are also potassium-rich. A whole avocado has more than 900 milligrams of potassium, making it a superstar in this category. Coming in at number 6, we have the ever-popular butternut squash, which provides 492 milligrams per cup when cooked. Acorn squash, a close cousin of the butternut, also packs a potassium punch with 900 milligrams per cup when cooked. Next, let's talk about dried apricots. Just a half cup of these sweet treats offers over 750 milligrams of potassium. Swiss chard, a leafy green often used in Mediterranean cooking, provides 960 milligrams in a cooked cup. Last but not least, we have the beet greens. These often discarded tops of the beetroot are not only edible but also nutritious. A cooked cup of beet greens has about 1,300 milligrams of potassium. Including these foods in your diet can help ensure you get enough potassium. But remember, too much of a good thing can be harmful. This adage holds true even when we talk about potassium. Consuming excessive amounts can lead to a variety of side effects that can put your health at risk. One common symptom of potassium overdose is nausea. It's your body's way of telling you that something is amiss. If you've been feeling queasy after consuming potassium-rich foods, it might be time to reconsider your intake. But it doesn't stop there. Overdosing on potassium can also lead to irregular heartbeat, a condition that can be potentially life-threatening. You might feel your heart fluttering or pounding in your chest, an experience that can be quite alarming. Shortness of breath is another red flag. If you find yourself gasping for air after climbing a flight of stairs, you might be consuming too much potassium. And then there's hyperkalemia, a condition characterized by high potassium levels in the blood. It's a serious medical condition that requires immediate attention. So it's important to have a balanced intake of potassium. On the other hand, not getting enough potassium can also be problematic. Indeed, our bodies crave balance, and potassium is no exception. When we fail to meet our daily potassium needs, we may find ourselves grappling with a condition known as hypokalemia, or potassium deficiency. One of the earliest signs of hypokalemia is fatigue. This isn't the kind of tiredness that comes from a long day or a poor night's sleep, but a persistent, unshakable exhaustion. It's like running on empty, a constant struggle to keep up with the energy demands of daily life. Muscle weakness is another common symptom. Those with potassium deficiency may notice a lack of strength or endurance in their muscles. This isn't your typical post-workout soreness, but a deeper, more profound weakness that doesn't seem to improve with rest. Constipation can also rear its head in cases of potassium deficiency. The smooth muscle contractions that move food through our digestive tract rely on potassium to function properly. When potassium levels dip too low, these contractions can slow down, leading to constipation. But how do doctors diagnose this elusive condition? Often it starts with a blood test to check potassium levels. However, because only a small fraction of our body's potassium is found in the blood, doctors may also look for symptoms, consider your diet and medication use, and perform other tests as necessary. Treatment for hypokalemia typically involves addressing the underlying cause of the deficiency, whether that's an inadequate diet, certain medications, or a medical condition that affects potassium absorption. In severe cases, potassium supplements or intravenous potassium may be necessary to restore balance. But remember, it's always better to prevent a deficiency than to treat one. Consuming a balanced diet rich in potassium-rich foods, like the plant-based sources we discussed earlier, can help keep your potassium levels in check. Ensuring a balanced intake of potassium is clearly a must for our health. It's a simple step that can have a profound impact on our well-being, helping us maintain the energy, strength, and digestive health we need to live our best lives. In conclusion, potassium is an essential nutrient with numerous health benefits. This mighty mineral plays a key role in maintaining heart health, enhancing muscle strength, and supporting optimal brain function. It's found in abundance in a variety of plant-based foods, from bananas and oranges to spinach and sweet potatoes. However, as with anything, balance is crucial. Too much potassium can lead to adverse side effects, while too little can result in a deficiency. Both scenarios underscore the importance of maintaining a balanced intake, tailored to your individual health needs. Whether you're a health professional or a wellness enthusiast, understanding the role of potassium can help you or your patients make more informed dietary choices. For personalized advice, always consult with a healthcare provider. They can provide guidance based on your unique health profile and nutritional needs. Remember, your health matters, and so does potassium.